Edible flowers. 10 beautiful and delicious varieties you can grow. Imagine stepping into your garden and plucking a flower, not just to admire its beauty, but to toss it into your salad or steep it into tea. That's the magic of edible flowers. They're colorful, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to grow at home. Whether you want to decorate a cake, brighten a salad, or infuse a drink, these blooms bring both beauty and taste to the table. Let's explore 10 edible flowers you can grow and enjoy right from your backyard. Number 1. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are a gardener's favorite for good reason. Their bold red, orange, and yellow blossoms are striking, and they bring a peppery, almost arugula-like flavor to dishes. Both the flowers and leaves are edible, making them perfect for salads or sandwiches. Even better, they thrive in poor soil and require little care. Number 2. Pansies. These cheerful blooms aren't just for looks. Pansies have a mild, slightly sweet flavor with hints of mint or wintergreen. They're often used to top cakes or float in drinks, adding a charming touch. Grow them in cooler seasons for the best results. They do especially well in containers and window boxes. Number 3. Borage. Known for its star-shaped blue flowers, borage has a refreshing cucumber taste that works beautifully in salads and summer drinks. The flowers attract pollinators, making borage a welcome guest in any garden. It's easy to grow from seed and prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Number 4. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers, especially the roselle variety, are famous for their tart, cranberry-like flavor. Used widely in herbal teas and syrups, these tropical blooms pack a flavorful punch. You'll need warm weather and plenty of sunlight to grow them, but the reward is worth it. Number 5. Calendula, pot marigold. Calendula petals can brighten up soups, stews, and rice dishes with their vibrant orange and yellow hues. The flavor is tangy and peppery, and some even use it as a natural saffron substitute. Calendula grows well in cooler weather and blooms prolifically with minimal care. Number 6. Chive Blossoms. If you grow chives, don't overlook their purple blossoms. These globe-like flowers offer a mild onion flavor that complements salads, herb butters, and vinaigrettes. Snip them off and let them infuse oils or vinegars for a savory twist. Number 7. Rose petals. Fragrant and romantic, rose petals are a timeless edible flower. Depending on the variety, they range in flavor from sweet and fruity to slightly spicy. Use them in homemade jams, teas, syrups, or as a beautiful garnish for desserts. Just be sure to grow unsprayed, organic roses meant for culinary use. Number 8. Chamomile. With its tiny white flowers and soothing apple-like flavor, chamomile is well known for its calming tea. It's also lovely sprinkled over custards or baked goods. Chamomile thrives in sunny spots in well-drained soil, perfect for raised beds or herb gardens. Number 9. Lavender. Culinary lavender, such as English lavender, brings a floral, slightly citrusy note to both sweet and savory recipes. It's often used in cookies, lemonades, and even spice blends. Grow it in a sunny spot with well-draining soil and harvest sparingly. It's potent. Number 10. Squash blossoms. These golden flowers are a delicacy in many cuisines. They're most often stuffed with cheese, battered, and lightly fried, but you can also sauté them or use them as pizza toppings. Harvest male blossoms in the morning when they're fully open for best results. A few safety tips before you snack. Not all flowers are safe to eat. Always double check that the flower is edible and grown organically. Avoid using flowers from florists, nurseries, or roadside areas unless you're sure they're pesticide free. And if it's your first time trying a certain flower, start with a small amount, just to be safe. Edible flowers bring color, flavor, and a touch of magic to every dish, and they're easier to grow than you might think. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments which edible flower you've tried, or which one you're most excited to grow. And for even more unique and flavorful additions to your garden, check this video on unusual herbs for your kitchen garden next. You'll discover herbs that surprise and delight in every bite. And remember, life is better when you garden.